Good morning, everyone. Once again, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Renu ma'am.
Good morning. A very good morning to all of you. I again tell you all, please, those who are joining late, join on time. Join class on time. 1 and 2 minutes before the time. Ahana, you are joining 1 minute late. So what should I do now? Every time I need to remind?
Sorry, ma'am.
No, sorry is not the solution, my dear. Varija, 1 minute late. Sorry is not the solution. You need to be punctual in your class. I also have a back-to-back classes, but I always come 5 to 7 minutes before in the class. Arnav Desai, 1 minute late. What should I do with these students, those who are joining late?
Excuse me, ma'am. I am entering but my laptop is hang only, so I cannot join
Arnav,
my.
every day you have the problem with the internet issue?
Excuse me, ma'am. I am late because I went down to drink water.
But you need to join the class first or either be ready. I tell always to join because 10 minutes break you are getting, right? Mute yourself, please.
Ma'am, I am come on 14. I'm doing, but I am back only my laptop. Don't do, but
Okay, I
that
don't
is.
want to discuss more now. Mute yourself, please. Okay. Open your revision notebook now. Now, next time I will not remind you to come on time. Next time, directly, you will not able to enter in my class because I am going to block the link. I will lock the link. You will not able to enter in my class when you join late. Even if 1 minute late also, you will not able to join. I will block the link. Then sorry. Okay. So keep in mind that you will join the class on time. So now everyone please open the revision notebook and I'm going to present the screen.
Ma'am, we will do next worksheet.
Yes, open new page. Not on the same page, so open new page. This is the worksheet number 2. 11 June, revision 2, classwork, chapter 1, write in numerals. Here, the number names are given to you. You need to write them in the numerals, means you need to write them in the numbers. Okay, so the first one is, who will read for me? Let me call the name of the child. Raise your hands if you know the number names. If you know how to write them in the numbers. Please raise your virtual hand. I'll call the child name. Yes, Heath Kasoria. I will present the screen and you will read the first one and tell me how I will write it into the numbers. Heath, read first one.
Ma'am, 95,609.
So
Ma'am,
how?
95,
95,
6
6,
and 9.
and 9.
No, ma'am, 609.
600 now, 9. How I will write?
609.
Very good. 609. Who is giving me this answer?
Ma'am, me.
Very good. Will you able to see the screen now, everyone? Yes or no? Please tell me the answer. Yes or no?
Yes,
Because when
ma'am.
I present, I'll not able to see. Yes,
Yes.
and we put the
Ma'am,
comma after 3 values in the Indian system. Now,
ma'am, now also we have to write questions.
every day you need to write the questions also.
Okay, ma'am.
Next will be answer by. Please raise your virtual hand. Only 3 students had raised their hand. What about the others? Yes, Dheer Patel. Dheer Patel, tell me how I will write the number for the next one.
Yes, ma'am. 7 1
7 1
7 0
0
1 2.
1 2. Where I will put comma?
71
Up.
and 0 in between.
This is right. Yes or no? 71,012. Children, is he correct? You need to
Yes,
give me
ma'am.
answer. Yes. I always tell you when I present, I'll not able to see you. You need to give me the answer, yes or no. Next is 60,000. Answer will be given by, I will call the name of the child. That child only will answer me. Please raise your virtual hand. You are 19 students, 17, 18 students are there. I need everyone to raise their hands. Mir Virani, give me the third one. How I will write?
Ma'am, 6.
6. Then
2
6, 2. Then
and 3 zeros.
I will put
Comma
comma.
and 3 zeros.
Yes. Good. Are you all writing along with me?
Ma'am, can you wait 2 minutes?
Yeah, I'm showing already on my screen. It is there. Next will be given by, I will call the child name. That child only will answer me. Navya. Navya, please tell me how I will write the number for the number name which is given on the number 4th.
1,
1,
3,
3,
1 comma 3.
1 comma 3. Okay.
Sorry,
Then
0, 3.
0, 3. Okay.
Comma
Comma
0, 0, 5.
005. 1,03,005. Is she correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very, very good. Navya, are you taking help from anyone? Or you have given the answer by yourself?
I have given answer by myself.
Very good. So the next fifth one is EIGST 80, sorry. EIGST by 89,000. 89,000 9 UNDRDRED 125. Yes, Yug Surana, you give me the answer of this one.
Yes, ma'am. 89.
Wait a minute. 89,
89,
hmm,
comma,
comma
9,
9,
25.
25. Very good. Is he correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Please write along with me in your notebooks. Today I will give you 10 sums, so write fast. Next is 2 lakh. Someone mic is on. Please mute your mic. 2,73,102. Yes, Priya, give me the answer of this one.
Yes, ma'am. 2,73,102.
Hmm.
So 2 comma 2 lakh comma 73,000 73 comma 102 102.
Children, is he correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please write. 2,73,102. Children, again I remind you, I only yesterday I only received 8 to 10 students revision work and 8 to 10 students this homework. Please send your work timely. Got it?
Excuse me, ma'am. You get my homework. I send it.
I am not calling each and every child's name, Arnav. If you have not sent, you send me again. If you have sent, I have received. The
Ma'am,
next,
can you show the worksheet?
yes. The next is 5,95,000. 5,95,673. Please raise your hand to give the answer of this one. So I will call your name.
Ma'am, can I give?
Raise your virtual hand. I will call your name. 8,62,000. Others are doing. Everyone is doing. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
62,192. So I will call the child name. Will answer me. Please raise your virtual hand. I'll see. Meet Prohit. Yes, Meet. Meet Prohit. Are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Please give me the answer of seventh one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Can we write only answers?
No. Complete no. You need to write the question also.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Meet.
5,95,673.
How I
5,
will write? 5 comma
5,
5 lakh
95,
95. Then comma, what I will write next?
6,
6
673.
673. Is it correct, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my net was gone, so I have rejoined.
Yeah, you can see the presentation screen and do the work.
Ma'am, I can say.
No, I will tell the child name. That child only will answer me. You raise your virtual hands. Yes, Ahana, you got the chance today.
Ma'am, can I say worksheet? No, ma'am. Worksheet.
If you say, can I say, your chance will not come.
No, ma'am. I have not
Yes.
gotten the chance.
So you tell me, Ahana. Tell me, Ahana, fast, eighth one. Ahana, I'm not able to hear you. Your mic is mute.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry. 8, 8 comma 62 comma 1 1 1 comma 92.
Why 1 comma 92? There will be
No,
no
ma'am. No,
comma
ma'am.
now.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
8 lakh
8 lakh 6,000.
62,192. Is she correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please write fast.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In the 9, there was a 7 lakh 24. We want to write 7 lakh 24. We want
There
to
is
write.
nothing in the 1,000.
Okay.
Tell me, children, fast how I will write this. I will call the child name.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you scroll a little bit up?
Wait a minute. I will scroll. Anshul. Anshul, tell me the
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
of the ninth one.
Ninth one. 7 lakh,
How I will write it into the numbers.
7
Hmm.
number, comma,
Comma.
24.
So this will be the 7 lakh 24 like this. Like this,
One minute.
Anshul.
Ma'am, I can say
7 lakh
Hmm.
24. When comma 20,
20. Like this.
comma
Comma.
4.
Oh, this way.
Yes.
No, this is wrong. Always remember, read the highest place value, which is 7 lakh, means lakh. So always put
ma'am,
the
ma'am,
ones. Please,
ma'am,
my
can
dear.
I read?
No, wait a minute. Let me explain to the students. Okay. Then you take the chance of your story. Ones,
Okay, ma'am. 7.
tens, hundred,
Okay.
thousand, 10,000, and the lakh. Always put the place values. Please mute yourself. Someone mic is on, which is disturbing me a lot. Please, children, always put this place value. Then only you will write the correct number under the places. 7 lakh. So 7 will come under the lakh. And then it is 24 directly. Means 2 under the tens. Two under the tens and 0 under the 4 under the ones. But nothing is here under the 10,000, 1,000 and 100 place. So what I will do with that place, children, can you please tell me?
Ma'am, 0.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
0 will
0 under
go
the
there.
0 under the 1,000,
0.
0 under the 10,000, 0 under the 100. So always remember when you are writing the number name, their places, define their places and then put the values according to it. So this will be the answer 7 lakh 24. Here, comma, mute yourself, please. Mute yourself. And here one comma will come and then this is the answer. Got it? Always see the highest place, which is the lakh, and put the places ones, tens, hundred, and then put the number according to it. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I show
Ma'am, I drink water.
chance?
Yes, please go.
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yes, please drink. Next child, who's telling I didn't got the chance?
Ma'am, Kush.
Okay, Kush, you tell me the last one.
Okay, ma'am. 50,953. First
Yes.
will come 50, 50,
Hmm.
comma,
Comma.
9953.
9, 5. Very good. This was the ninth one was little confusion one, and the fourth one was also was little confusion one, where the zeros are coming in between. Please mute yourself now. Mute yourself. Thank you. So this was also was little confusing.
Ma'am, can you show the sheet?
Yes, please see. I will send this sheet in the classroom also. Please complete your revision and then send it to me today. I will send this sheet in the classroom as well. Please complete your revision and send it to me today itself. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I will
Yes,
present it
ma'am.
one more minute, do it, and then after that, I will start the next topic.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I drink water?
Yes, please. Whose mic is on? Please mute your mic. Thank you.
Ma.
Please do fast. Then I will explain you the today's topic.
Done, ma'am.
And I'm going to send this in the classroom. Please complete your work and send it to me also. Got it, everyone? Okay. I'm
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
stop the presentation now. You will get this in the classroom as well. Complete it later on also. Okay. So today we are going. Everyone, open your textbook. Page number. Your textbook. Long and short chapter which we were doing. Page number 13. We have already started with how to order the objects according to their lengths. Yesterday in yesterday's class, we have done how to ordering the objects according to their lengths. Till that you were not aware what is the measurement of that object, what is the correct length of their object. Yes. Now I tell you how to measure the objects and which unit to be applied to measure the objects. Can you tell me if I want to measure this pencil length? Which unit will be used to measure the length of this pencil?
Centimeter.
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 But
Centimeter.
these are the standard units. After the invention of the instruments, please mute yourself. Someone's mic is on. Yuk Surana, mute yourself. So before the invention of these instruments like ruler, inch tape, or the different things, the people, how do you know how people were measuring the objects?
Ma'am,
Suppose
by
they,
their hands.
yes, that is called hand span. That is
Ma'am,
called
then
hand.
foot span.
By
Foot
their feet
span.
too. By their
Yes,
feet too.
yes. Foot span, hand span, and this is called which
Ma'am,
measurement?
arm. Ma'am,
This,
arm. They measure with the arm also.
yes. And will you think that measurement is the correct method of measuring the objects? Mute
Yes, ma'am.
yourself. Will you think that is the correct way of measuring the objects?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Can you
No.
tell me why it is not the
Ma'am,
correct way?
because he is do like we can do not perfect line in the it is some do.
Suppose if I tell you measure the length of this pencil with the
Yes.
hand span. Okay. Take whole pencil in your hand, everyone, and start measuring them with your hand span. So please, from the tip of this thumb till this last small finger, hold it like this. You know what will happen? No, Navya is doing
My
wrong.
pencil is.
Navya is doing wrong. Navya, from the tip of this thumb till this last finger. Yes. Mute yourself, Arnav. Someone else also mic is on. Please mute yourself. You know, children, what will happen? My hand is big. Your hand is small. So sometimes you say no, ma'am, it is two hand span, but I say it is one hand span. This will the difference will come. If I give you the same, mute yourself for a minute. When I ask, then give the answer. If I give you the same pencil to measure, my same pencil to measure you, to give you, then you will measure with your hand span. You will say that, ma'am, my two hand span, the length of this pencil is two hand span of mine. I say no, the length of this pencil is one hand span of mine. Why the difference is coming? Because I am big. My hand span will be big. The length of this, my hand span will be different. Your hand span, your hands are small. That will be different. So that is why after the invention comes, after that the people came to know that this will vary. These are not the standard units of measurement, right? बिकॉज दिस आर वेरी द आंसर विल वेरी मीन्स चेंजेस होंगे आपका आंसर दूसरा आएगा मेरा दूसरा आएगा सो दीज मेथड्स आर नॉट द स्टैंडर्ड मेथड्स ऑफ मेजरिंग today what you will do you will do this activity I will put it in the classroom that you will measure the length of the table I'll show you the video also wait how to measure with the non standard way and that non-standard way is not the correct way because there is a difference between the length of if I say do the foot span so your foots are small my foots are big so maybe if I say to measure the length of the classroom if you measure the length of the classroom or measure the length of your room so when you walk with your foots maybe your foots are small my foots are big if my foots the length is coming 12 but your foots are small it's coming 15 so is it a standard method of measuring
No, ma'am.
no it's not a standard method of measuring then after that the standard method of measuring has invented which is meter centimeter and I'll show you the images these are the wait a minute I'll show you the picture these are the instruments used as a standard and these are the wait a minute there are two different instrument images I'll show you can you all see my screen yes or no
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes,
is foot,
ma'am.
this is the foot span. This is when till people were in the early days were measuring with the rope also, hand span, arm length or the cubit. So these are the ancient instruments, early days. Now the modern instruments are this ruler, inch tape, measuring screw. Like this way, these are the different instruments used are using now because these are the standard. अगर आप scale देखोगे तो everyone's scale will be same. If you take your scale, I take my scale, the measurement will be same. If I take my ruler, if I say in my ruler, wait, if my ruler 5 cm, draw a line of 5 centimeter. So your ruler, my ruler is same. You will draw the same line of 5 centimeter, right? So these are the standard units of measurements. That is why the inch tape and this is the inch tape. Why it is called inch tape? In this inch tape, one side the measurement is given in inches and the another side
And
is
the other side it
with
is the centimeter.
centimeter. Both the sides you can use the inch tape sides. So these are the standard things. अगर आपने उसको 5 सेंटीमीटर मेजर कर दिया it means that is the standard length of 5 सेंटीमीटर वो चाहे मैं मेजर कर लूँ चाहे ऑल ओवर कंट्री में कोई भी इन इंस्ट्रूमेंट से मेजर करेगा तो लेंथ विल बी सेम got it now I'll show you the video based on the non-standard
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes
Over
please
here,
see
I
this
have two big scale. In the big scale, this is the big scale. This is a little bit small scale.
yes
So I just put it in the proper way. So the bigger scale is only 1 inch taller than the small
and
scale.
then you can see the centimeters on the scales also if the 1 centimeter it is smaller then on the scale it is written 14 centimeter and the another one it will be
Yes.
written 15 centimeter because at the standard unit of and the standard instrument also to measure okay so I'm
Excuse
going to
me,
mute
ma'am.
myself Varija
My
we
scale.
discuss later let me explain you
Let's understand what length is and how to measure it. The word length is used to measure how long an object is. For example, length of the classroom floor. length of the blackboard, length of a pencil, etc. It is also used to measure distances. For example, distance from your home to school, distance between two cities, or
When we're talking about the distance, which unit we will use?
Kilometer.
Yes.
Kilometer.
Kilometer.
Yes.
Kilometer.
countries. Measuring length. We can use the hand span, the foot span, or the cubit to measure smaller lengths. What do you mean by hand span? Hand span is the distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger on an outstretched hand. Lisa is measuring her maths textbook with the help of hand span. Let's measure 1, 2. So, the length of her maths textbook is 2 hand spans. Now, let's see what you mean by foot span. Foot span is the distance from the tip of the toe to the heel of the foot. Look, Lisa is measuring the length of the classroom with her foot spans. Let's measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So, the length of the classroom is 20 foot spans. Now, let's see how to measure with cubit. Cubit is the length from the elbow to the end of the fingers. Now, Lisa is measuring the side of the table with her cubit. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the length of the side of the table is 4 cubits. You too can measure the lengths with your body parts and have fun.
Children, I tell you, these are the ancient methods of measuring the objects on the basis of their lengths. But these are not they will not give you the accurate answer, because this your cubit length is different, your hand span length is different, my hand span length is different, my foot span length is different, your foot span length will be different. So these, when you measure with the body parts, that will not give you the accurate answer. But after the invention of the ruler, the inch tape, all these instruments of measuring the length, we will get the accurate length of the given object. Got it? I'll show you one more video based on the standard units of how to measure it. Wait a minute. I will send these videos in the classroom also, as well as I will send the two worksheets based on the today's topic.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Sarna.
In this video, you see the hand span, foot span, and cubit, but it is not proper size. No, some size is big and some size small, but it is not a proper. Means do this like we want to. It is not like a proper.
Presents addition number
Yes.
10. Okay, class, let's be.
Mom,
I would need.
Priya, there are a few tools that help us measure different kinds of objects.
Mute yourself, please.
Smaller objects can be measured using this scale. This is the kind that you would mostly use in school, right? So on this scale, do you see several divisions? If you look over here, they're also numbered from 0
These are
to
the
15.
standard unit.
This means that
or
each division
things
is
to
a
measure.
centimeter. A centimeter is written as cm. Why don't we try and measure a few objects using this particular scale? Let me put a crayon along the scale. We'll keep one end at 0, and as you can see over here, the other end of the crayon reaches 8. So what do you think that means?
What is
So
the
this
length
crayon
of this?
is 8 centimeters long.
What is the length of this crayon?
8 centimeter long.
8 centimeter long.
Let's try measuring this glass over here. Let me keep the scale along the height of the glass.
I'm 14 centimeter
14
long.
centimeter long.
The height of this glass is
Yes.
14 centimeters.
Ma'am, 14
Now,
centimeter.
what if you have to measure longer objects, like the length of the table? Or, as you asked earlier, about how much cloth you need. Now, such objects are measured using this meter rod. Meter is written as m. Now, remember that 100 centimeters equals 1 meter.
So 1 meter equals
Now,
to how many
100
centimeters?
centimeters.
Something
100
that is
centimeters.
much longer than you. Like the distance between your house and your school, maybe?
Kilometer.
By kilometers. Absolutely right. Distance between places is measured in kilometers.
Kilometers.
Try remembering this. 1,000 meters makes a kilometer.
1000 meters.
Kilometer is written as km. I'm going to bring up
So
different
1
objects.
kilometer equals to
Tell
how
me
many?
if it can be measured in
1
centimeters,
kilometer, 1000
or
meter.
kilometers. All right,
Yes.
you ready? Here we go. Let's start with a bottle.
Bottle
Centimeters?
measure
A
is
bottle
Good. Okay,
centimeter.
let's go to the next one.
Centimeter.
Here's the length of a car.
length of a car.
Use a meter rod.
Meter.
Distance between the ice cream parlor and the movie.
Kilometer.
Kilometers. Let's try height of a lamppost.
Meter.
Meters.
Meter.
Distance between your home and the playground.
Kilometer.
Kilometers. So here we have a matchstick. So let's see, what would be the appropriate measurement?
Centimeter.
Right, centimeter.
Centimeter.
Okay, next one.
Centimeter.
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 Table.
Meter.
Goes over here to meter.
Meter. Meter.
Goes to meter. A bookshelf.
Meter.
Also goes to meter.
Meter.
Refrigerator.
Meter.
Also goes to meter. Doing so good so far. All right, distance from your house to the airport. Yep, got it right. Kilometers.
So I hope you understood the concept which I am going to tell you yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you for
Bye,
today's
ma'am.
class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.